Safety is very important to us, and trees do present a threat to people's property and their well-being. Removing trees can be really simple or it can be quite complicated. There's a big scale. Simple trees, we might be able to fell a tree from the ground. A more complicated tree might involve a lot of setup. Most of the time it involves climbing, so we're climbing arborists. G'day, I'm Michael from Hive Tree Services. As a business, Hive Tree Services does anything to do with trees, really. We prune trees, management of trees. We also remove trees if they're defective or threatening property or life. We maintain people's gardens. We give people advice as well on where they should plant trees, on longevity of trees and where they're planted in terms of their people's gardens. We offer an upfront, no-fee assessment of people's trees. We take pictures of every tree and we mark on those pictures what we'd recommend the tree would look like or what branches we'd actually recommend removing from trees so that people have an understanding of what value they're getting and what their tree's going to look like at the end of the day. There are many trades out there that you would give to just a tradesperson because it's high danger. And so we're one of those trades. When we lock in a job, we look at all the hazards that are located on site, and there could be many of those. So the team would enter the site and have a really good look and a chat through what are some of those hazards and reducing those, eliminating those. Then we can start on the tree work. We set up our site with our orange cones and signs, make sure the site's secured and safe. And then we go to work, starting the process of removing or pruning the tree accordingly. We're very blessed in our business to have some quality people on our team, and really life's about doing things together as a team. You can go really fast by yourself, but you can go really far if you spread the load and have a team to go with you and draw upon the resources of your team and their unique gifts and abilities. I really love cutting trees. I love using my body. I love the mental challenge of rigging trees. I love being outdoors on the side of a mountain at the top of a tree and having an unobstructed view. We aim to meet and exceed our clients' expectations while we're on site. As a standard company practice, we actually send people a client survey at the end of their job and say, how would you rate our business out of 10 and how can we improve? And 90-something% of people who operate with us give us a 10, and the numbers of comments that people leave for us are really heartwarming and truly grateful for the service that they have been provided with. Look, if people have never used our business before, I guarantee you'll be pleasantly surprised on the cleanliness, the transparency and the communication. The process from start to finish is exceptional.